Welcome. In this video, we're going to learn how to create a group on Telegram. Whether you're planning a casual chat with friends or organizing something more serious, setting up a group only takes a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside, look toward the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. This usually looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. When you tap on it, a list of options will appear. From that list, select New Group. This is the option that lets you create a brand new chat space just for you and your chosen people. Next comes the fun part, selecting your members. Telegram will show your contact list, and all you need to do is tap on the names of people you want to include. You can add as few or as many contacts as you like right from this screen. Once you've selected everyone, tap the arrow or next button to move on. Now, it's time to give your group a name. Choose something that fits the purpose of your group, maybe something funny, creative, or clear. You can also set a group photo if you want, which helps your chat stand out among others. After you've decided on the name and image, tap Create or Confirm. And that's it. Your new Telegram group is ready to go. You can start sending messages, photos, videos, stickers, or even files right away. Plus, Telegram groups can host large numbers of members, making it perfect for communities, work discussions, or fan clubs. To customize further, open your group's settings. There you can add more members, assign admin roles, change permissions, or edit the name and picture anytime you like. Telegram also offers useful tools like polls, pinned messages, and links to invite new members quickly. So now, you know how to create a group on Telegram, step by step. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with someone else who might need a quick walkthrough.